1947, India became a free nation from years of colonial rule. We started from scratch with no strong economy, limited infrastructure, and a distant dream. But what we had was a vision and an unwavering determination to rise. Since then, India has made a remarkable progress across every sector, building a strong and self-reliant nation. Let's trace the journey of some of the major milestones.
What was once a luxury is now a right. From IIT, IIM to AIIMS, India is home to globally respected institutions. With initiatives like Digital India and NEP 2020, quality education is reaching every corner of the country. From telegrams to 5G, typewriters to AI, India has become the startup capital of the world with over 100 unicorns. We are leading in the digital payments, AI and innovation. With ISRO's space missions, we have reached the moon and earned a respected place as a space power.
India's military is now one of the most powerful in the world. Modern, technologically equipped and indigenously advanced through INS Vikrant, Tejas, Agni missiles and many more.
From being labelled a third world economy to becoming the fourth largest in the world, India's rise is unstoppable. MSMEs, the backbone of our country, are being empowered through Prime Minister's Employment Generation Program, Mudra loans and Vishwakarma scheme and many more. Indian women are now leading from the front, be it in space, politics, defense or sports. Initiatives like Beti Bachao Beti Padhao, Nari Shakti Vandan Adhiniyam and one-stop centers are shaping a safer and stronger future for every woman. Through transformative schemes like PM Kisan, Drone Didi, ENAM and Agri Infra Fund, our Andatas are being empowered with technology and dignity, driving the nation towards a self-reliant agricultural future. From excelling to a multi-sport powerhouse, India has made history in the Olympics and Paralympics. With Khelo India, tops and world-class infrastructure, India's sporting future is brighter than ever.
Today, the vision of our nation is crystal clear. An Atmanirbhar Bharat that stands on its own feet, a technologically advanced, educated, inclusive and empowered Bharat where no one is left behind. And above all, a Viksit Bharat by 2047.